Hey, what's up guys? Welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer and today I've got this Onkyo tuner AM/FM radio to show you. The model number is T-4040. But before we get into it, a quick fun fact for you. Did you know that the first radio broadcast happened in 1906? Yeah, radio's pretty old. It's been around for over 100 years, but let's go ahead and talk about this. So on the rear panel, you have your antenna connections right here, and then you have your audio output and your remote control input and output for connecting it to a system. To connect it, you'll plug in your audio cable and then connect your power cord and then connect your antenna. Then once you have it all connected, you can power it on and you'll be able to get reception just fine. Right here you have your FM button and your AM button, and then you have your scan button, tuning, you can go up or down, and then you have all of your presets right here, and then there's direct, which you can directly tune to a certain station with that button. And then there's group, memory, and FM mute/mode switch. That's pretty much all there is for this Onkyo tuner. It's pretty basic. You can listen to all your AM or FM stations with it. But if you want to order one, you can give us a call or check it out on our online store.